Met you in the winter when I was a mystery. It was cold, but I was full of fire.
All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lorna. Today for you, I'm going to be showing you guys some small space hacks for your kitchen, small space organization, all of that good stuff. I'm so excited for you guys to be here today because this is my favorite video to film, is organization, even though I honestly get a little bit stressed doing it because I just want it to be perfect. Anyways, there's going to be a little bit of tweaking and stuff, but today I'm going to show you what it looked like before. There was literally, if you're in an RV, you know all the cabinets and crazy stuff that come with an RV. We ripped all of that out, so I'm going to show you guys the before picture in just a little bit here. But these are the IKEA cabinets that we just built, which I love them so much, you guys. I'm obsessed. They turned out amazing. The organization is beyond what I imagine it to be. I imagine it to be amazing, but it's even better than what I thought it was going to be. So we are going to hop right into this video. Oh, but before we do, if you're new, subscribe, hit that little bell if you're interested in small space organization. I also do travel, Amazon, all that good stuff, and give your girl a thumbs up. I'd so appreciate it. And always come say hi. I love getting to know you guys down in the comments. These cabinets are on the taller side. I'm 5'3", and they go a little bit below my shoulders. So I'm still gonna be putting my coffee bar stuff up here, and I honestly like that better for me because I have toddlers. So it'll be up a little bit higher, and then I'm going to be putting 2 shelves, so I'll be showing you guys like a part 2 to this video. Everything I had in these cabinets are now inside of these newer, smaller, sleeker, slimmer cabinets, and my husband did not think I can do it, but I am getting rid of a lot of stuff. If it does not fit in here, it's out of here. So that is the rule when you're in an RV. You don't want to buy more. I'm like the world's best window shopper now, which I never thought I'd be that person. But let me show you guys the side here. So these are very skinny, okay? They're not very big at all. So I love that they are sleek and up against the wall. I can still fit my coffee pot, but like I have so much more room than I did before, which is incredible, you guys. I'm so grateful. All right, you guys, so that was up here. It is now officially off, and we are working on this last piece here. So let me show them what's behind here. So there's a tiny little hole here, which is gonna be fine. I'm probably gonna wallpaper or paint this anyways. And then, like I showed you earlier, there's those 2 holes. So it's not really that bad, and the flooring goes all the way underneath. So just, you know, you gotta look around and figure it out for yourself what works in your RV, but this was scary for my husband, and I'm so glad we did it. So this is getting ready to come out. All right. All right, sweetie. All right. All the way. Keep going. All right, you guys, there it is. I am going to like sweep and clean everything out. And we have 2 like dresser things that are going to be going right here. I'm just going to wallpaper this. It'll cover up that hole. We're going to stick the wires back in there. Nick covered them up pretty good. And then the shelves will cover this. So I think it's going to be good, but we have to get the wallpaper to go from the top all the way to the bottom. I think what I'm going to do to preserve wallpaper is let me go back a little bit. I'm going to just wallpaper to like my little drawer set thing. And then that way I can kind of preserve a little bit. So yeah, that's our progress. All right, you guys, so Roman just helped me build this piece. He's gonna put it in. All right, bud, slide it over. He's my little builder. He's been building with me since he was like 2 years old. Thing I wanted to show you guys is I put these at the end, and also when you pull the drawer out, I put these in the center, so when you pull it out, it hits the middle. okay? So it slides really easily so the kids can get into it. I like how clean and sleek they are. We're going for a boho glam theme in here. One thing I wanted to point out is my knobs have not arrived yet. They'll be here on Friday. I will update you guys on what those look like, but I have gold and clear knobs coming, which I'm so excited about. A lot of RVers do the glam, I mean the boho theme, but I'm more glam than that. So I'm gonna do a little mix of both. So you guys, everything turned out amazing. I'm so excited to show you guys inside. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you guys was this. Let's see if you can see it up close. It was $29.99. So we needed a new set. I had pink ones before. I really, really like this. Showed you guys, I just stuck some random things in here, and then in this one is going to be all of our silverware. I stuck the knives down here. I have everything pulled in. I'm probably thinking about putting a knob on here. I don't really need it, but I love the way it looks. So I wanted to show you guys. So the ceiling is super tall. So I'm going to be putting 2 shelves here so I can decorate them. Now this is pretty tall, okay? These are, and maybe a little bit below my shoulder, but so they're higher up, okay? But I'm still gonna put my coffee station, and I like that so much better, you guys, because I have toddlers, so they will not be able to reach up here, which is amazing. So I'm gonna start going through everything in each drawer and show you guys how I organized everything. There are these divider things right here, and so what I did is I'm putting this first divider in here, and I set it on top of this just so it would fit, okay? And let me just show you what I did here, okay? So it's one of these little containers, these little clear containers, and then I just set this on top so it won't move, like that. And then we're gonna just start, I'm gonna set these in here. These are all of my cups, you guys. Love having all my cups here. I also have, I usually use one at a time, so this is the one that I'm using right now. I'm so glad I found this one. Then, okay, I still have space to put something here. See, I can literally stick something there and stick this on top. See that? And I can still stick something in here. So I'm gonna leave that there and stick this here. I mean, and I can still wedge something right there. So I have so much room, you guys, which is amazing. I never thought that I would have this much room. So I have a bunch of these. They're being washed right now, but they will just go right here like that. Flask or whatever. I have 2 of these, and it will go right there. The great thing about these drawers, you guys, is it pulls open like this. Very narrow, but it still fits a lot. And I'm gonna be able to show you in this clip how awesome it is. And then this drawer is just my smoothie stuff. My blender fits in here. Everything fits perfectly, you guys. So if you want to know which blender fits, I'll link it down below for you. I have my popcorn machine. So amazing. Love, love, love this, you guys. But look, it fits. My husband did not believe it would fit in here, but it does. Okay. Then in here, I just have my Yonana's machine, my egg machine. It's like a hard-boiled egg machine. Some snack containers. I like having these so I can give the kids snacks in the car, you know, as an RVer. Oh, if you guys don't know this, I'm a full-time RVer. With my family of 6, we RV all across the country. And yeah, we are on a lot of road trips, so I like to have these little snack containers. They're so cute. They have 2 little sides for road trips. So we have the mixer. We have a s'mores machine. This is incredible, you guys. If there's bad weather, a rainy day or whatever, and you wanna make s'mores, this thing is so much fun. I'll link it for you guys. Then in here, I just have all different types of cups, silicone cups. You can bake them in the oven. I like to use these as well for making lunches. You can stick these and divide your lunches up. And then I have paper ones in there as well. And right below it, I have, this is a little cupcake machine that's my daughter's. It's so easy for her. She doesn't have to deal with the oven and she can just make her own cupcake. She's 10, which is nice. Then we have a Mickey waffle maker, that is mandatory. And then we have two little mini waffle makers. I have a red one back here, which is hearts. And then this one is just a regular pink one. So in this drawer, this is gonna be for our paper plates and utensils. I wanted to show you guys, I stacked these on here. They will never stay like this, but this was for this drawer. This drawer was like this and it went inside of here like that. These are really good, you guys. You guys have seen me bring these on vacation. I love having these because if I'm in a hotel room, I'll make my own guac and I'll bring it in my cooler bag and I'll bring it down with me. So I have two small ones and one larger one here. These will never stay looking like this, but I just wanted to do it because I think it's beautiful and I might as well start off with how I wish I could keep it looking. But yeah, just paper products, little plates. So when you're RVing, you know, you just have to have paper products. Sometimes you are. Next is just the top drawer here, and this is going to be all of our kid dishes and things like that. So I have these ones here. These are some Christmas ones. I wanted to get these pink ones. I thought these were so cute. So whatever holiday season Target ones I want to do, I'll put there for every single day. Okay, next up, see, these are fairly deep so I can fit things down there. So those can go down here, and like I said, these on top, which is absolutely perfect. I love how well these fit, okay? Oh, so if you guys want to know what these are little lunch cutters, so I can cut like zucchinis or cucumbers or carrots into different little shapes. I love having these. There's a whole little set that I have here. This is a little thing I can keep there or wherever. So see, this goes on top like that, but I have room to stick things down here. So this little guy is gonna go right here like that. So, and what's in here is these are little sushi cutters. So it cuts out a little happy face. And then I have some lunch cards that you write little notes on. So let me just show you everything. I just showed you guys what these were. This is a crustless sandwich maker. Crustless sandwich maker. All these are kids' plates. Love these, you guys. They're thick, they're durable, they're amazing. Look how cute this is. I got this from Target. We have a lot of kids' plates. We have a lot of kids. We have 4 kids. Each kid has their own color. Like I said, these are like seasonal plates that I'll stick up here from Target that are really affordable, and then I'll just switch them out. Besides the hearts, I always have those on hand. Now in here, let me show you guys what is in this one. This is such a fun little container. I got this from Daiso. I know everybody's gonna be like, where is that from? Just everything basically is from Daiso except for the spoons and forks. These are from the dollar store. So inside here, I bought these little dividers from Daiso. They just stack on top of each other, but I have little picks inside, which I can stick inside of their food. And now that everything's right here, it's so much more accessible. So little spoons and forks, more little picks, and then we have little sauce containers in the center. And then this is just little grass I can put around their sandwiches, which would be fun. Okay, those are little snack containers that I stick down there. And that's pretty much it for that drawer. Everything is opened up. I still have a hole back here, and there's like a hole here. If you guys can see that. This is for my RVers out there. Now we're gonna get some insulation. My husband's gonna go talk to the guy and see what the best one is. You can feel the draft come through now that the cabinets are gone for sure. But I'm fine with that. Like, this doesn't bother me. So if you are gonna be, you need to figure out if this is something you can deal with. Having holes in the back and stuff, it doesn't bother me. I'm getting ready to wallpaper this whole thing, so you have to kind of pick and choose what's worth it to you. So it's worth it to me. I'm gonna cover it up. We're gonna make everything look good, so it's not that bad. I have another little hole here, but I'm gonna patch that up. Like I said, we're gonna wallpaper everything. I'm gonna paint the trim. I still have a bunch of stuff that we need to accomplish. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it for you. Give your girl a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing the small space organization videos for RVs and all that good stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell, and if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, leave me a cup emoji and let me know that you did. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie. Mwah.
Up in the echoes, secrets that we know, doors that open for us in a moment.